What's up? Welcome to today's episode. So last time we were with the Z, we just got it running, the motor is going, and we got it out of the shop. I drove it like less than a mile and going to the body shop. I don't get to enjoy it just yet, so they gave me a call this week and they have an update, and I don't think it's a good one. So let's go check it out, see how the Z is doing. What is that? I don't know, it's pretty sweet though.
Ooh, it's a bend.
And rolls. Holy cow. Well, that's gonna look much better than what was there before. That's for sure.
So we cut in those stuff because we saw this area it was bad. We used the other piece.
Okay.
You know, we make it like a puzzle.
Yeah, guys are making it work.
Yeah. To get it done basically.
So, the floor, did you have to pull it at all?
Yeah.
You did, okay.
Yeah, the floor.
Okay.
The floor, you can see it right there. You saw?
Okay. So was this bend already here? Did you guys add this bend to it? Okay. Okay, so here's the rundown. So basically the whole rear of the car is cut off at this point. As you can see, when they did some cutting at some point, they had some cracks through here, so they did a weld and patch. This is primered now. This part, I don't know if this was shown before, but when it was in the rear end collision, this part was bent down like at an angle. So they pulled this and straightened the rear out. So we're good to go there. And we're kind of dealing with the rust between this car and the patch that this came off of. So they did some cutting here, but this side is staying on. And then as far as the top piece, this patch is still pretty destroyed. So for the time being, we're just gonna keep this patch on it, and then eventually, when I'm able to put that new patch on and go from there. But making good progress. This is turning into a much nicer car than what it was. We're a week later, and I got the call today that the car is done. Done, it's a relative term. But let's go see how it looks now, finally. Oh my gosh.
You're gonna pay a little bit more. We cut this one, we put it.
Oh,
you
what?
said you don't want it, but we did that.
Oh my gosh.
I took a picture.
You guys are awesome. This patch is still pretty destroyed.
Because we saw we're gonna weld in here.
Yeah.
And then my buddy man, he said, hey, I don't like to do welding this shit to him. He's,
Yeah.
I don't like my job like that. We cut, we making the metal right here.
Yeah.
This, you can see the metal. And then we did same thing to here too. We cut and we put a new.
Right, because this was the spot that had the holes in it before.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It lives! Alright, so first driving impressions. Obviously the car's got a long way to go. It's kind of in a hacked up state, and it's the first couple of miles I put on it since I got it, probably almost 3 years ago now. But the car is super coming together. We have the ceiling all done, have the steering wheel in. Obviously this needs some work, but after this, so I just dropped it back off at the shop where it's been getting work, and we're just gonna wrap up the brake line, and then after that it's good to come home. The next thing that I do, basically before anything else, is paint and body. This car has 3-4 layers of paint and more rust to deal with, so after I come home we're gonna be dealing with that and going deep. We're gonna get a sandblaster for it and see how it comes out, and I'm a little afraid of that part, but anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and coming along on my Z adventure. It's getting there. See you next time.